Are you looking for the best Mini ITX cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Mini ITX cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cooler Master Mini ITX Case. Another PC component and parts brands that you should keep in mind is Cooler Master, since it offers some of the best high-performance products. Cooler Master's NR200 Mini ITX Case is present in the second position in this listicle, as it is the most compact option stated here. But even then, it is the perfect option for high-end computer builds thanks to its support for up to a 155mm CPU cooler and a 330mm GPU. Not only that, but it also supports a large number of fans, including 2x120mm top, 2x120mm bottom, 2x140mm side, and 1x92mm rear fans. You also get 1x120mm top and 1x92mm rear fans installed in this cabinet out of the box. To offer such excellent cooling, it does not come with a tempered glass side panel but rather a steel one. Unlike what you would expect from such a compact Mini ITX case, it even supports 2x2.5-inch and 2x3.5-inch drives. On the top, you will also find 2 USB ports and an audio port for ease of use. At number 2. NZXT Mini ITX Case. NZXT is a fairly high-end brand of CPU coolers and cabinets that can be a viable pick if you are looking for something premium and sleek looking. The NZXT Mini ITX Case is present in the third position in this article because it can be a viable option if you want a fairly large ITX case that looks great. Since it comes with a tempered glass side window and a PSU shroud, it looks quite premium and sleek. Other than supporting a Mini ITX motherboard, it can also be used with 2x3.5-inch drives, 2x2.5-inch drives, up to a 165mm CPU cooler, up to a 325mm GPU, and much more. Apart from its included 1x120mm top and rear fan, this cabinet also supports 2x140mm fans at the front for pretty decent cooling. Being a premium offering from NZXT, it comes with an audio port, USB Type-A, and USB Type-C high-speed ports on the top for high versatility. At number 3. Silverstone Technology Mini ITX Case. In comparison with most other computer accessory and cabinet brands, Silverstone is much more affordable and a viable option for all those who wish to get a high-performance Mini ITX case. While there may be many budget Mini ITX cases out there, the Silverstone SST SG13B USA is the cheapest one stated in this list. And its given price tag, it supports both Mini ITX and Mini DTX motherboards for peace of mind. However, being a budget offering, it comes with a steel side panel and not a tempered one. At the front, you will find 2 audio ports as well as 2 USB 3.0 ports for high data speeds. Moving over to the performance numbers, this case offers decent cooling despite having only an optional 140mm front fan, which is possible with its front mesh panel. As for other compatibility specifications, you will find 1x2.5-inch and 1x3.5-inch drive bays, clearance for up to 61mm CPU cooler, and up to a 270mm GPU. Despite being a budget offering, Silverstone has included a 3-year warranty with its Mini ITX case. At number 4. Lian Li Mini ITX Case. You can go with Lian Li if you do not have any budget restrictions and want a high-end PC case with various handy features and a premium construction. Lian Li Q58 White Mini Tower Computer Case, a compact and stylish option for Mini ITX builds. This case features with split mesh and tempered glass side panels for a modern look. Designed to accommodate Mini ITX motherboards, it includes a convenient slit at the top of the motherboard tray for seamless PCIe cable management. The case supports versatile power supplies, including SFX, SFXL, and ATX, with a maximum length of 160mm, crafted with an aluminum exterior, SPCC steel interior, and 3.0mm black tempered glass side panels. It ensures durability and aesthetics. The Lian Li Q58 offers flexible cooling options with space for up to 2x120mm or 2x140mm fans at the top and 1x120mm fan at the bottom, along with radiator support. Equipped with user-friendly I/O ports, including 1x USB 3.0, 1x USB 3.1 Type-C, and 1x HD audio ports, for convenient connectivity. At number 5. Fractal Design Mini ITX Case. Fractal Design is a reliable brand which provides high-quality computer cases and other gaming accessories. Their wide range of products offer decent performance. Fractal Design Terra Gaming Computer Case, a mid-tower case designed for Mini ITX motherboards, combining style and functionality. Crafted with a walnut-colored aluminum exterior, it provides a unique and stylish appearance. The case features one installed fan with a size of 4.72 inches to ensure efficient cooling for your components. With a total of 3 expansion slots and 2 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0 ports, it provides ample connectivity options.